Welcome back. Here we have a very interesting question. If an array is facing south at equinox at noon, what must the tilt angle of the array to face directly to the sun? Assume latitude is 30 degrees. Before we find out what is the best answer to this question, we need to understand few terminologies and concepts. We know that Earth is divided into various zones and various lines. The lines are called latitudes and longitudes. The middle line, which is dividing the Earth into two zones, north half and south half, is called equator. Similarly, on the northern side, 23 degrees north of the equator, the line is called the Tropic of Cancer, and on the south side, 23 degrees south of the equator, the line is called Tropic of Capricorn. Now we know that the Earth is tilted 23 degrees from its vertical axis. So if it is June solstice, which is 21st June, then the Tropic of Cancer is directly facing the sun. In other words, if a person is standing at the 23 degrees north of the equator, which is Tropic of Cancer, then the sun will be right on top of his head at noon. Similarly, if it is the winter solstice, which is 21st December, then the Tropic of Capricorn is directly facing the sun. So if a person is standing at the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23 degrees 0.5 south of the equator, then at noon the sun will be right on top of his head. This can be summarized in a picture. You can see we have June solstice, December solstice, March equinox and September equinox. Now here we have a picture which is showing the respective movement of the sun with respect to Earth. Let us assume we are at equator. So what will be the position of sun at equinox and summer solstice, winter solstice is shown here in the picture. If a person is standing here, then at equinox, which is March equinox, 21st March, and September equinox, which is 21st September, the sun will be right at the top of his head. Now let us assume. Remember, our question is about equinox, but our latitude is 30 degree. So let us assume this person start moving towards the north. Now currently he is standing at the equator, but if he moves 5 degrees towards the north, then the sun will be not right at the top of his head. In fact, there will be an angle, and that angle shall be the same degrees he has moved towards the north. If he moves more, let's say 20 degrees more, then the angle will be again more wider, and that shall be the same as 20 degrees. This can be shown in another picture here. Now we are at 30 degree latitude, so the respective movement of the sun is shown here at equinox. This angle is same as his angle of current position, which is 30-degree latitude. Now remember that the sun movement through the whole year is from equinox to summer solstice and from equinox to winter solstice is 23.5 degree, which is same as the tilt angle of the earth with respect to its axis. So we have found our answer to the question, which is 30 degree at 30-degree latitude. But suppose if the question is what shall be his angle at the summer solstice, so what we will do is we will add 30 degree 23.5 degrees. So 30 plus 23.5 will be 53.5 degree. So 53 degree and 5 angle will be if it is summer solstice. Nevertheless, as asked in our question, equinox at 30-degree latitude, we have the same tilt angle required for the solar module to face the sun.